like I can fly. Come on, spread your wings and fly.
Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing this morning? Guys, we up early again, back at it. I have some other bouquets to do and send out, but guess what one? I'm alone today, no help because Junior gonna work. So I have to deal with it by myself today. So all of the ribbon them and stuff them I have to do what mother give me and tell him if I do for me, I have to end up doing it for myself. But I'm so used to it, so I don't like nothing. So I wanna go on this morning, I wanna deal with who start cook already, who they at church, who just come home from church, who are get ready for God church. We're not going with this morning. So I'm just hope everybody have a blessed morning this morning. Yeah. Guys, gonna just get me so excited every time I think if I post a video or if I talk about or say what me have in store and stuff, wanna just get me so excited, to be honest. I just feel like I was born for this, yeah. But I'm here this morning again. Tired. I'm so tired, but it have to get done. So I go shut up them rest of bouquet here and I have them bride here, make them come collect them today. And I have a few other stuff for go out for tomorrow, and as I telling you yesterday, for the rest of the week. You know, see it. Today is wash day. Yes, I have to wash my ear a week time because I sweat so hard. My head. I don't know. I don't go on this already, but yeah, man, I wait for Junior to come home and I have to wash him ear as well. So I will show you when I wash my ear, when I wash him. So I have that for do today as well with the bouquet them. Do want to go on the road, go somewhere, but I'm not really sure. And do all my film, I don't know if my mic go anywhere because I'm tired. I'm want to do a sleep. So I will see how the day go. But guys, one of there with me today. So we will go and do the right thing. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share up the video them. Share up the videos. Them. So I don't know the thing already. Pick up on yourself. So I go and stay tuned when you see it. Alright.
Go on K and J clan. There in Gideon. I make a chat go work in man. Right now your side. You see me? Sunday morning stroll. And I ride phone this, I don't know how the quality stay. You see me? So I don't know anything, but I go and big up on myself. I'm going to check in on them now and then while I'm there at work. You see it? So I don't know, big up. Up top move.
Guess what? We've reached 200 subscribers. We reached 200 subs, guys. Thank you so much. Guys, I'm excited. I'm running out of breath. I'm gonna catch my breath. I know it's small, but it's a lot. Thank you. All of uno, each and every one of uno big up on myself. Wait, I'm tired. Let me catch breath. I'm tired. Guys, thank you. As I say, I appreciate each and every one of you. 200 might sound small, but you all heap to me. Thank you, I appreciate you. Why? Me go just continue. Me and Junior go just continue to put out contents when I want to see. Continue to make them laugh just by being ourselves. Continue to make them know so we appreciate you. And we just excited. I'm so excited. Junior there works, him can't even join him on the excitement. But we are at 200. Yeah, man. It wouldn't even be possible if it wasn't for Uno. So I'm just so grateful, happy, appreciative, and everything in one. Thank you, guys, and big up on yourself. And remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video them, guys. Me I tell you, man. Come January, we have so much in store for now. Cause we are gonna change up the thing. You see it? And just do something different. We still have to do with vloggings and we look at pranks now and then. And all of that, you see, we still have to do all of that. But there's also something else in store. See, I don't want to give away too soon. But just know, say, January, we have to just look out for it because it's coming. You see it? So, we're going to more things to watch. More, what if I say now, more content where, you know, we watch and laugh and just feel like on our part of our family will just bring on when we do it, you know, then I will look a pocket and think I don't know a thing already. We don't have to worry on ourselves because we're that. But we are here, guys, just to make sure say we are do the right thing by give you know contents we don't want. Let you know in a part of our family, you can message you on Instagram at K_J_vlogs, and you can message me upon anything you want message me upon. If you want message you upon Instagram, you want leave a comment, anything you want to do, you can reach out to it and you can give it ideas and stuff like that. You see it. So as me I said, the thing only a grow. And that we want it to do. So we want it to just continue to support. Remember to share up the video them with a friend them, with a family. We just share up the video them, so other people out there who don't see it and don't know can see it and get to know about K&J. You understand? And get for experience what we experience to some of the joy and a little laughter and thing them, you know? And just make them a part of our family as well. So big up on yourself again, guys. I can't stop saying thank you so much for the 200 subs. I really and truly appreciate it. I know it only will get bigger from here, right? And nobody but uno for thank uno. Uno. Thank uno. You see me talk so fast, me I say foolishness, but thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. We never even expect to get a subscriber when we just start this and I have 200, so thank you. So I continue to watch the video them. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video them. And if you don't have any suggestions or anything like that, then you can always, as I say, reach out to it. Either comments or probably Instagram page or anything like that when you want to try to reach out to it on Facebook, anything, gonna just the link will be down below in the description. So we leave them down there. So you can reach out. So if you don't have any epic pranks when you want to pull off on Junior, so you can reach out and tell them in my inbox. Yeah. Can you check them something there? If you check Instagram, if you check Facebook, if you check WhatsApp message, so you can always message me and know say me I go see them, if not see them. You know what? Check them something there. Them say chop on set like rain. That is so true. So I have this to say on today. I keep on showing this. I like it. I like the color, the navy blue and the yellow. I'm gonna use ribbon, like the regular ribbon, like this regular ribbon. I make them here, the yellow and the navy blue. Cause I never have any sunshine yellow. I think that's what I'm calling it, near gold. And I never have no navy blue, so I have to take my hand make fashion in a seed. So you have to do what you have to do. But for the next one, you have to love what you have to do. If you don't love what you have to do, you now get the idea or the creativity. You see, then I get that because you just want to do it. So when I have the stuff them for do it, now I'm gonna be like, what we can use to get this done? What we can use to make it different? So when it come on to what you, when you love what you do, it give you a creativity. It give you, what I want to say, a way where you think outside of the box because you want to make sure, say, you do it and it do right, you do it and it look good, you sort it out. You get me? I say so. That with that. You see me? Yeah. Look more when Junior come me and them as me say me go wash him here and then we touch go out on the road, go maybe grab something to eat or whatever. You know, just carrying along with me on the journey. Just carrying on with me so when can come on the road too. So when I want to eat and they tell me, I start it out for now. What are you watching tonight? More than not 200. What are you watching? And the big up on yourself, man. I don't even know. No flow. So guys, I've never introduced you to my baby before. Say hi. Say hi again to your family. Hi. Say how are you doing? Guys, this is when you're ugly. But my mom give me a dollar here. So she give me to keep my company. She have so much of them. I don't know what she do with so much of them, but she have a lot. She have a lot. So today is what she say her name? Shalanda. So today is Shalanda fresh up day. You see it because Rihanna did afraid her, so she did take her and fling her in one corner. So we just go for her now. So I go fresh her up, I go change her clothes. Alright guys, so Sarah here, fresh up. She's clean. Put on her little headband thing for her little pillow head. So say hi. Say I'm fresh. I'm clean. Their outfit. Her shoes. Pop in. Pop in. So Junior decided say, he might go move out of my way, man. He might walk around the road and link him friend. Him come in at the house, use steam key and pull the girl and I try to find him, but it never worked. So we are.
Think she did jumpy people, but she not so jumpy. You see me? She solid.
Man, listen. Come I know him style. Him love come my window and I go like him more frighten him. I tell him say him can't frighten him when he come my window. Cause anytime him come my window, the light where reflect on the wall change.
Like?
I just a show like I say where reflect on the wall. We don't go away. So the light but I like it the light where reflect on the wall change. Your mistake a back, we run and share back. So him say him that do look of vlogging at work. So I'm gonna give me them. I'm gonna compile them and put up a little video. You see it?
It's not a lot. I didn't really vlog a lot. I vlog like.
You never vlog. What is a vlog?
I didn't say that.
I don't say you never vlog a lot. Look how me go play it back and you go hear it.
Yeah. But that me say it. Oh well.
Oh well.
I vlog or vlog. But anyway, still, I didn't record much. Since I know the word vlogger give me a bit of
Every word give me show.
just vlog. When me go up the road, and when me did in I bus back. You see me?
Where did I bus back?
Couldn't do really much recording at work today, because today is hectic. You see it, well if I work, they work. That's why I mean work.
So, my work, I'm gonna see what it is. My back hurt me. I mean, I feel walk all the way.
I got Richie me, yeah.
Yeah. I try to remember which part out this and name. I can't remember. Don't even have...
Oh, that's Sunday about other things.
Today is Sunday.
Yeah, people, so I don't know anything already. There, take a stroll.
Really and truly, no one walk past us, you know, the people with them ball. Listen, it's like me, it's a ball magnet or something.
Can't afraid of ball. You don't wrong on either, because every time we walk past someone with them a kick ball or play some for a ball, the ball finds some way to pass any barrier and clap her.
But
It's a bird. It's a bird, kid. Oh, bird, calm down.
guys, when I'm with me, I'm free at a ball.
Jaja, the woman nearly run left with the while to blow out.
I never run left for go to a story. One time me and Joya got up garden. We did it all long, so we have a nice good day and things. So we said we go by a zoo. Go by a zoo. Over a zoo? Yeah, we go by a zoo and then we see some turkey. A turkey? No, the turkey man.
A peacock.
Peacock. We see some peacock out there. So we there looking over on the peacock them and thinking peacock them they mind them own business the last time me look. I go so have my phone and talk to my mother. Junior stand up there and me. I don't know what. How says the peacock to start run come. Me never see the peacock come. Only thing Junior do I touch me from my shoulder and go so run. And cut left me when I look by the time the man touch me from my shoulder. And say run and I look at way out I saw Junior there, Junior run left me now.
People.
The peacock run me down, good run me down, you know?
Me never see peacock run down people yet. You see me? Me watch Animal Planet and them other little thing there and see animals are run down animal. Me never see peacock run down people yet. Me see peacock come, me gone. Oh.
Guys, me, hear me say, him say run. I lie me and tell all the man do I just touch me on my shoulder and run off. Time I go so and look the man there so far. I couldn't believe it said Junior run left me. Couldn't believe it. Man take foot left me to bombard me and the peacock alone out there. Me run for my life.
I know why damn bird picnic.
Then you know, show me the bathroom earlier. After the audacity I asked me about him here, so peacock only run down people when they rank. I asked me so. A while ago, I got about you, I go and I said, no, sir.
Little
So me say, I mean, make the peacock run me down.
Little people splash up on her.
But now, laugh, Junior is a wicked. I say, oh, never again. Never again. I know never again what, you know. But never again. So I reach when I reach me, I know.
Yeah, you know.
No, from when I walk from yesterday. I would just reach. So country we go. Camera there going so I just leave from Run and reach me and I walk over Town Center, you know. Far away I walk from that to Town Center.
Yeah. It's not that far.
They have one of them frat there. What you were forced to wear when you were younger.
It's not that far, people.
It's far. It's far. It's very far. Would you say it's far if it's never far? Far away for walk.
Yeah.
It's like, well.
Yeah. If you want to go to the bathroom, you're go to the bathroom, go on wee. I said, go on the bathroom. It's so far.
I never. I tell you how far it is. It's like walking from Big Tree all the way down at waterfront.
That's a lie. It's not even 5 minutes, yo.
Look.
It's not even 5 minutes.
Me I go walk and record.
Oh, you
When
walk
see
slow?
me I go cut. It don't matter. Me I walk normal, me I walk average. If I cut it off.
So you have an average walk?
Yes. This fast walk. Fast walk is an average walk. Would you agree? You take good recording outside. You know do something for me?
No.
Please?
I'm going to flick and clear all of my pants scratches. No.
I tell him to have a bum flick. So what do you bum flick for me?
It was a cartwheel.
What?
It was not no bum flick.
I just remember something end up recorded. I catch you a bum flick.
I wasn't doing any boom flick.
Boom flick, boom flick. Me go show you now. Me go find the video and show you. If me no put it up, him delete it. So here's the reach over our favorite liquor store. Well, go on. Bourbon Paradise. See them on him shirt?
How y'all doing?
Yeah, but town center. Yeah. What you say?
You don't want me to be on YouTube. What you talking about?
Yeah, I
How are man? One liquor store. Do you think go?
This is Franklin.
Yeah. So yes guys, we walk over, you know.
1 box of rum.
You wishing.
Me I do that box of rum, I say sell me, I sell it.
Are you wanna drink it huh?
Oh,
You?
that's I love rum so much. Drink a little bourbon now and then, but nothing not so rough, not so much. Like how can I try to make it look like me a rum head.
You are. Him R is a Roman. Yeah, like listen.
I am not.
Listen. We'll go buy here. And I carry over 24 bottles, regular soda bottles and some big bottles. So we get out of the fridge. Where them give you water in, you see? I'm full them of rum. All different type of rum. They have white rum, Appleton, rum cream, all different type of liquor we have in there. Campari, everything we have in there, yeah? I'm full in a bottle them and carry rum. And this brother take 1 week to drink them off, I'm gonna drink rum. 1 week him take to drink off the liquor them. Tell me about what them did if I have enough to drink. So, who no judge if him a rum head or not? See me?
That's not a rum head.
Then is that what? Is a rum
There's
drinker?
no rum on my head.
Junior.
There's no rum on my head. Okay? There's hair on my head. So I'm a hair head.
Guys, I link to about when I walk across the road. I have focus when I walk out there. So yes, family. So the one there that Junior would I say. Force you. Force you. Just reach out for me, know that as I say when I come across the road, I record back. I don't know. I'm not going to the history. I don't go on yet, but terrified of what them I tell them, man. You have to focus. All the items that my head, all the items at the back of my head, back of my head come out with me across the road. The way I laugh at. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing at me? So in the back of my head. That one I say.
Because your brain knows you know you're in the back of your head. That's why the words now come out of your mouth.
No, listen. We can go on here. Guys, anyway, as I say, thank you again. Thank you again for the 200 subscribers. You can see it.
Yeah, big up on the 200 self.
For the 200 subs, guys, we really and truly appreciate it. We just want to think we just continue to grow up on a level. And I don't know, we will always be here to bring you entertainment and to keep you entertained at all times.
Yeah. Everything already.
So you just know so enough to just watch out the video them and just stay tuned. Anytime we have anything new coming up, we're gonna update like how we are telling you. So we have big things in store coming soon, coming January. So now that to look out for. You get me? And me promise you I'm not gonna like what we have come. I'm not gonna like it.
Yeah, you know. I know say anything we will do with the channel, we have to be here. The viewers them in mind.
Yes.
You see it, so the only way I do it for all who watch. You see it. I only remember who are part of the family already. You know, so we want the family big and broad.
Broad
like
out.
out on the highway,
Yeah.
up on the toll road outside.
Same
So
so.
you know, so for the family get broad, we have to share the content. You see me? So you see like how Uno dep on it, telling a friend them, on a family them about it. Share it with them, you know, share the link with them. Tell them, say, yo, subscribe to the channel. What about
What
Sergey?
happened?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Everything tough? Ah, my boss.
Alright.
Don't know. You see me, so. That's what I say.
I bet you don't remember what I say.
No, I remember good,
Oh.
man. I talk about my brain is a lapsy. I share it to the family and the friends them.
Man, breathless.
And tell them to share it as well. I want the family grow. You see me? So,
Same way too.
I know the thing already, man. You see me? I only remember to like the video. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's our major thing. To like.
When you watch it, when you just give it a 1 subscribe and thing and see it.
Like, man, like. That's important, because guess what? So when them like it, it means
Them
more
like it.
people like it means to YouTube say, oh, people like that, that's something, that's all, that video here. So that means that we can share it with some people, they don't know if you see them can like it too. So more people will see it. Yeah.
Guys, when you have to see with me, with that tripod thing, I'm used to my hand being like this. So I can remember say I can hold my hand like this, and plus I don't really want to show Junior expecting belly.
Yo, I tight, my clothes tight.
I really want to give it too much. You never want to know say he's expecting, but the
tight,
secret is
tight.
out.
I don't know secret.
The secret is out.
A young shirt. Can't press out the young shirt, give me a seat.
Hey, good. No, tell no boy, life nice, not true. They can walk and record and post it and people watch it and get entertained and feel a little bit of happiness and joy when you know I try to give them, not true?
Yeah. So, reach on back on the 9 furlong, you know. Home straight. Yeah, you know.
Home
Reach on the
stretch.
home straight.
And the home stretch. A home stretch.
Stretch?
Yeah, home stretch.
You
Reach
tell
back
if I
on the home
yesterday me
stretch.
make up the word home straight.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh dear. So
No,
people
home
I'm
straight, which part, huh?
go around the words then.
Home stretch. Home straight. I be a man this junior talk. I be a man this junior talk. Be a mad Miss Junior talk. So yeah, so I must reach home.
Yeah. You don't know. Oh. Big up Trini. Today me and him all a reason about the channel and him tell me say my pre few little thing and him tell me say yo I love how the content them when I put up on them thing there. Right. You can see say oh the thing authentic, you see me?
Yeah. I'm Marriott. Don't forget Marriott.
Yeah, big up Marriott. You know, if I start the name calling you know.
Oh,
I don't want to lift out nobody,
oh, God.
but big up on yourself, you see me?
we when time remember, we just big up in that each video.
Yeah. You see.
So just I reach back at the house and now, let me see there. Come on,
Yeah.
Joe.
I cut out the frame like while people, so I have to shift round back. You see?
Me say, give me the really can look. I really can't look that.
Yeah. Come on, man. You laugh all the thing now whenever you
I don't mean.
now can do it.
Alright. Ready? Ready? Joe. Really can move. Yeah, give me the really can look. Yeah. Yeah, really can look. Come on, man. You know what? Me find something. I was videoing bigger than you.
Move.
I was videoing the whole time. I don't know what this video is on.
See? See ya. Sure.
Good. How good for me? If me did leave the man alone and video me a video, would not have about video on yon. Me don't know what the heck that is, but I was videoing on yon in the whole time. Yes, smile like that. So yes, family. Just reach back in and thing and so me go fresh up and now and eat some food just like yesterday and go sleep. What wrong with you? What wrong with you?
Oh,
Yeah, right?
man.
so so as me say, we're gonna eat some food. Me if you watch me now.
Watch me carefully.
To chop. I'm going to sleep. You see it. So I'm saying we end the video and tell you yourself have a wonderful night, guys.
Yeah. Big up on yourself. Don't know.
So we look like brother and sister.
That's
Everybody
true.
says so. So we look like brother and sister. That's true? Really? Guys, we could have better wash him ear today. I wash my ear, so it's still sore.
They must get used to it by now and know so them with them not to put we on practice.
I did no comb head nor no wash
No.
head gang.
Anything what we say yo, look out for this. We are dealing with no unpredictable.
Yo.
We don't know what forward when it a forward. So we are dealing with it.
The water pressure did low today, you hear? It did very, very low. Almost little to none never come out of the pipe. So we could wash your head. We could wash my head and our female. None of it couldn't get pardoned. But unpredictable. So guys, when I don't know, continue to watch the video. Then remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. Forget a notification.
That's it. I'm thinking of it. Ram scrum. Oh.
No, remember what me that say.
Click the notification
Click the
bell.
notification bell if you're new to get a notification from us.
Yo, my last camera.
When?
Wait there.
The man see it over there so. So I don't know who do the right thing as them always say.
Yeah, man.
Just go and big up on yourself.
And
You
as
see
we
it.
always say, stay
Stay
safe. I don't know.
And thanks to the 200 subs.
Yeah, 2 bills, you see me?
And I just continue to make it grow. You see the camera there, Julian.
Brother, me a put my finger here, so. Oh.
So see you next time. Good night to the big up on yourself.
Peace out.